What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo, everybody! What's going on? Welcome to another episode of POHBOYS Garage. Today, we're working on Shipwreck's RX7.
Time to get the prep for the roll bar.
Hell yeah, man. We have the pieces of the roll cage right here in the back. Want to explain what we got, what we have back here?
So it should be a 6-point roll cage.
Everything's all kind of pre-cut, but we're still gonna definitely have to modify a lot of this. I think the easiest part is going to be the interior. We're gonna strip it all out, clean it all up. Oh, and also we have the GoPro right up there for a time lapse. So you'll see everything right here, man. You ready to do it? You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Woohoo! Let's do it, baby! Woohoo! It's like a little surgeon's table. Doctor.
I'm trying to get a little better at this. Pretty easy, basic bolts.
Yeah, for the
Nothing
seat and
that should
everything.
be, like seized on.
No. Should be good.
Just screwdrivers.
Yeah, down here. Oh yeah.
Nice carpet.
Covered. It's a little covered by the carpet and stuff. Yeah, right there. It's hidden. Hidden treasures everywhere. We'll see what we find underneath the seats.
Ooh, money.
All right. Ooh, we can reheat those.
In the air fryer. They're all good.
Dang, that's nasty. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Pff, I just walked all into it.
I'm not gonna open up right here.
Just keep going. Go. Do it. Do it. Woo! Celebratory drink. There we go. It's all out. And then next thing we're gonna be doing is what? Vacuuming it all out and stuff?
Probably still cleaning it.
Yeah.
Then we gotta take off this top.
Oh yeah. Should we do the top now?
Good.
All right.
More plastic.
Oh, there's one missing
They're
already.
expensive little shits.
Really?
Yeah.
They're like specially made?
I don't know what's so special about them, but
Oh, okay.
I saw like one of the shops out there selling them.
For a lot.
A lot. For every little fucking bolt is expensive.
Oh, there's one. There's like one right here. Like a base of it. Probably pop the molding off and be able to see more.
Yeah.
And it should be just right here and then on the back side and these, because there's nothing structural in the back.
Right.
All right, cool. Cool. Almost there. No, dang. Almost. What's behind you? RX7? Damn, RX7? Damn. RX7? Damn. So check it out, as we were taking these off, Shipwreck went a little too ham.
I guess you go from behind.
Behind it and pop it?
Can you even get behind?
Oh, no, it's right here. Oh, broke. You just pulled it forward, huh?
Yeah.
So pop that, oh, that's not even one. So there's like a clip in there? Alright, cool. So since we have this all exposed, it looks like
It's just a bunch of screws down.
oh yeah, they line it. There's like one right here, 2, oh yeah, 3. There are these little brackets. 3.
Let's just slide off of that.
Oh yeah, take those screws off. Let's do that right now. Yeah. They like pull them up and twist at the same time. Yeah, those little screws are pretty annoying, but we got them. Now we're just taking these little dudes off right now. So we don't lose any of these when we put that new top on. Oh, there's a screw right here. This one you're taking off, right? This one? Okay. Y'all try and be gentle and then boof. Shia boof. Oh yeah, not bad. Oh yeah, not bad, buddy. What? What did you find?
It's looped. The strap right here, it loops around.
It holds it all down?
Something like that connects to the bar.
Velcro? I need Velcro. So Shipwreck is figuring out all this nonsense. I think I'm gonna start taking this stuff off. Just gotta go the right way first. Boof! Yeah, we got light. Alright, so we're trying to figure out this nonsense. Maybe it'll help us out if we put it down more.
The lights are on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's dead. It doesn't have enough juice to let that go down.
You turn it back on?
Oh yeah, do that. Look who showed up. Social distancing. That's all you gotta do. Boo 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 boo. Is it going up? It's working! There you go, Kokomo. Stuck in there.
What's all that? Oh, that's just like interior padding?
Is the inside of the top. It's the bra. Alright. Okay, alright. Pull it up. So you're just stuck in that bottom part, huh? There you go. Pull it, mijo.
Don't matter, it's coming out.
Pull it, mijo. There we go. Tubies up.
It's still strapped in.
It's freaking umbilical cord. Cut it. What the hell? What's up, Angel?
Not much. The quarantine is up. What's up with you?
Lunch.
On the strap, huh?
Yeah.
I done told you. You need a staple remover? Let me call my elementary school teacher. There we go.
I was brought up
Chicken
with
ride?
POHBOYS.
Wiener, chicken, diener. No one cared about me until I became a po' boy.
Nobody cared.
No one cared. Pretty much, that'll do it for the night. We got the everything off on the back. Right here we got the glass. It's over there right now. Took a little while, but we figured it out.
Just had to be careful.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So next thing we're gonna be doing is cleaning off all this junk on the bottom, and then seeing where all the bars, all the roll cage bars and everything, seeing where we're gonna mount them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Tonight we'll come back to this either tomorrow or another day when we get more prepped, a little bit more better. Yeah, more motivated.
Degreasing.
Yeah, right. So until then, we'll catch you the next day when we do this. Woohoo!
Fine.